Greetings. It is a lovely Sunday, nice and chilly. Hunter wants to be helpful, so we made 2 stops this Sunday. So Sunday dive, yay! Oh yes, here. This is stuffing herb bread. This was from Aldi. I've already broke into it. Okay. Shh. Yes. Okay. These we've had. This was part of dinner. Red potatoes from dinner. So, yeah. Oh yes. We got several. It's Florida's natural premium fruit splash. It's a fruit cocktail juice. I got about 10 to 20 of these things, and then I also got lemonade flavored. I haven't counted them, but I know there's a ton. It was like a whole bag. So, and I've been drinking them. So, yep. Here's another one he decided to give me. They're very good. Oh, and we got one Turkey Hill strawberry kiwi lemonade. Yeah. Okay. Hold on, Hunter. Hold on. Okay. The Florida's naturals came from Dollar Tree. Turkey Hill Dollar Tree. Now we got 2 of these Junior Dippers, little cheese sticks, and breadsticks and cheese. I got 2 of them here. Hold on, boo. Okay. So those are a good snack for the kids. Oh yeah. We got Skulls and Bones, fruity candy. This is all Dollar Tree. And we got 10 boxes of these marshmallow mateys. So thank you. Yes, we're not going to pull these all out. No, we're going to leave these in the bag. Yes, we're going to leave the marshmallow mateys in the bag. All right. Yay. Hold on. That's one box done. Yeah, wait. Oh, thank you. Mama's going to put that up. Yay. I know, honey. Hold on. What's that? Oh. Yes. This is an Aldi. This is from Aldi. We got 2 of these. I think I smashed some pears. It was in a box. I just grabbed the whole box. It's got 3 apples and 2 things of these pears I want to go through. Yay. Hold on. No, Mommy did that. Thank you. Oh, hold on. Here are the gorgeous apples. They're nice and huge. Apples. Looks like, I did that. Yeah, it was, I did that. But, yeah. Ooh. Daddy. We got giant Honey Crisp apples. Yes. You know, you can't have an apple, honey. Yeah. So I would love to be a bit more organized with this. It's just, today has been a long, busy day. Yes, Hunter, honey. No, I'm not picking you up. Let's see. Oh, yeah. Dollar General. Also, we got 3 of these individual, little 4 ounces of turkey breast, deli style turkey breast. I ate one over 6 hours ago. I'm still not sick. So, let's see here. We got 3 packs of this thick bologna. The kids love this. I love this. And yes, thank you, Hunter. Hunter wants to keep giving me the apples. But it's very, very good if you fry it. Fried bologna. Really good. Great sandwiches, too. Oh, yes, another apple. Hey, that is a Faye. I just have to go look up at the computer and there's nothing but Faye. I love you too, Faye. I guess Faye wanted to say hi to everybody. He is special. He is actually missing a leg right here. You see? It's a little nubby stub. The umbilical cord got caught around his when he was born. Thank you. Okay, you know what? I'm just gonna keep the apples up here because he keeps handing them to me. No, be nice to Kitty. Be nice to Sprite. Okay. Not that. Oh yeah. Let's see. 2 packages of turkey hot dogs. So, I'm sorry. This stuff is processed enough. Yes, but we've already done that, honey. Thank you. It's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay. We had 10 of these sausages. The smoked sausages, individuals. These I know are George's favorites.
Yes.
So when I got the thank you. Yes. I got these because they're great for George. So.
And we do the bonfire. They're great.
Oh yeah, and as George reminded me, if we can get to do our bonfire, these are perfect for the bonfire. Woo-hoo. Yes, I'm a little chubby today. Okay, so there is that. Yes. Okay, we didn't get this. This is George's. Thank you, though. Okay. Not that. Okay. Oh yeah. Hold on. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, we got about 10 bags of the barbecue pork rinds. What?
Your soda.
Where is it?
Not to leave on the.
On where? Oh, shoot. I'll get it. Hold on. I gotta grab one more thing quick. All right. Back. Oh. Put the kitty down. Thank you. Please put the kitty down. Oh yeah, we also got this container minus the lid. But I think this is big enough I can wash it and George can use it as a bowl. Another cat. So hard, honey. God, you gotten big, girl. This is Star. She was born about the same time, I think, as Hunter. Yeah, she was born around the same week as Hunter. So, my precious. I had to nurse her back to health. Yes. He's handing me another one of the Florida's Natural. Like I said, we got about 10 to 20 of these. So they're really good. Those were also Dollar Tree. So, yeah, here's the Dollar Tree box. Yes, thank you. Oh yeah, we also got Mommy will get this in a minute, okay? I said the pork rinds. That is later. Well, I got the fruit and that's later. Fruit and grain bars. They're apple flavored for Hunter. Apple cinnamon breakfast. Yes. Okay. You want a banana? He loves his bananas. So if he wants fruit, I'm going to give him fruit. Let's see. We got these black earbuds. We also got a set of pink earbuds. And I know Candace goes through these like crazy. So, those will be good. Oh, yes. We also got this lovely purple cord. Looks like it's an
The oldest.
iPad style cord. So yay. Backup for Jace's school iPad. Got these little boxes here. These will come in handy next month for me.
I actually killed the nemesis.
Because I just, yeah, you put them together. It makes a nice little gift box. Here. Because when it comes time for Christmas, I always gift fudge and candies and such. My Christmas presents to everyone is homemade treats. So, oh yeah, here we go. We had a box of crayons that got opened, so Jace decided he wanted the crayons, so he picked all the crayons out of the box. We got a container of forks that the boys decided to open in the van because they ate lunch in my van. So, yay. And then we have, this is mixed, so it's spoons and forks. And, I don't see the knives, but, okay, I can wash them, they'll be fine. Oh yeah, we got these cute little tea light candles, battery operated style. LED tea light candles. Yay! I love those. Yeah, there's the crayons. I got 2 jars of this really pretty red nail polish. So I can't wait to try that out. More forks, more crayons, and again, my lovely pork rinds. You can have some pork rinds tomorrow, little man. So I know my mama's gonna love the pork rinds, and I can take some of the pork rinds to Granny. Oh, she's gonna love them. Oh, and look at that! It is so precious. It has Psalm 46:10. Be still and know that I am God. I will be exalted among the nations. I will be exalted in the earth. Oh, it's written right there on it. That is so cute. Oh, I know Granny will love these. Yes. Oh, I got to take some of these to Granny. She doesn't get out much, so I know she'd love it. But, alright, I'll finish emptying that box out in a little bit, but hey, pretty much a ton of these pork rinds. Let's see, and you know what? Oh yes, and the biggest bit. Whoopsie. Here, pour it out. And the best part of the haul, I just could not leave behind. I know, what is it? Freaking Frugal? Frugal Mama, Frugal Daddy? I know they love. Yeah, it's a ton. And I do mean a ton of different the Lunchables. The kids love these. Oh, and the use by date on them is December. So these are still good. They're not expired or anything. So it's like this much. I mean, come on. You can't pass that up. All right, fine. Especially since, the kids go to school Monday and Tuesday, and then they're going to be home all week. Now, granted, we're going to be taking them out somewhere to eat one day, but even then, the turkey is, well, you've seen the turkey. So, there. So, yeah. And I think that's pretty much what I got from, there. Yeah. That's what I got from Dollar Tree. Here you go, Hunter, honey. Yeah, we stopped there on our way to go see Karen. Karen had PT, had physical therapy today, and she is doing great. She still has to be in a wheelchair. She can't walk, but she can stand up and take, like 1 or 2 steps. Yes, you'll have this for breakfast, honey. Breakfast. So Karen is doing, she's still, doing, she seems happy. I know she'd love to come home. But in order for her to come home, she's got to walk. So, we're praying for her. No! Hunter keeps wanting these daggone marshmallow mateys. Those are your breakfast, dude. Now, alright. After we visited Karen, we decided to stop at the Aldi. And we got some really nice stuff there. So, I don't know what happened at Aldi, but oh my god, it was full of produce. And I mean, like, here. A box. And it says here, use by 12/01/19. And you can see it hasn't really been opened, maybe not. Oh, yeah. See here, it's like, oh, I gotta struggle to open it. Yep. And it's still in here. It's 9 ounces Italian salad. There are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 bags of Italian salad in here. Oh, yay. So that is like awesome. Okay. I got 2 of these split top wheat bread. Which is good because this is what George likes. James likes it. It's no high fructose corn syrup and no artificial flavors or colors. So, yay, getting a little healthier. Oh, and just so you know, no, I'm not pregnant. I just had a baby like almost 2 years ago. I just have not been able to lose the baby weight. So I'm going to say that now, just get it out the way. Now, let's see. We also had this box. And this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 of the mixed greens. Organic mixed greens. So this will be a good salad here for me. This is, here. Look, it's a week's worth of salad. Yay! There's my lunch for the next week. Just add some turkey to it. And if that wasn't enough, I know I got another one over there. There's 1, 2, there's 3. Well, here, right here are 3. The other one's like sitting right over there. Romaine hearts, 3 set of 3. Which is really nice. We really go through these. What are you? I don't know. Okay. That I don't know. Oh. I think this is a candle. I don't know. Yes. Oh, it's an unmarked candle, so I don't know what. It's supposed to be. What scent or anything? Oh, wait. Fall Night. Okay, there. Perfectly good candle. Nothing wrong with it. I can probably fix that up, and that might be a nice, Christmas gift for someone. Or I could just keep it for myself. Yes, put those back. We got some nice, lovely grapes. I don't really see nothing wrong with these. See, really nice, beautiful grapes. So yeah, I love it. You gotta love some good fruit here. Let's see. Oh yeah.
That's what he said.
This is probably no. Okay. Some fresh peeled garlic. All right, yeah. I want to say, okay, here are two. There were a ton of these. I don't know how many of each salad I grabbed. I really wish I did. I know I ate 2 salads. James ate 2 or 3 when I got home before I could do the video because I was late and still had to cook dinner and all that. But yeah, we had breakfast for dinner, so it was really nice. These are chicken Caesar salads. Wow. And the date on them is 12/1/19. So they're still good. Let's see, they also had a Santa Fe style salad. I know I ate one of these, so I probably had like 2 or 3 of these. I know James loves the Caesar salad. Hunter's having fun. Now I'm going to bring over the next box. Here we go. This is all the bread here. I got 2 loaves of this honey wheat bread. And I got 1 loaf of the 100% whole wheat bread. So, I mean, there's no fuzz, no green spots. So it's still good. So yeah. Oh, yeah. And yes, thank you. Mommy showed that one. He wants to show off my more salads. Yes. Also, there are 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5 little pints containers. Is it a pint? Yeah. 5 6-ounce packages of raspberries. So I'm going to rinse these off. And those will be really good. At least for me. My lovely breads. Let's see, I showed that. Oh yes, I did get these organic bananas. So, gotta make Granny's banana bread. What?
I want to find one that's actually advertised as inorganic.
Yeah. I accidentally grabbed this box of green onions. But it's like, I don't know how many there are here. It's a ton of green onions. So, it's... I mean, I'm pretty sure I can find something to cook with them. So...
You got that teriyaki.
Yeah.
Do some chicken, throw some green onions in with it. Cook them down.
Good idea. Actually sounds good. What are you doing? Hey! Hi. You little fart. Can you not do that? Alright. Hold on. Oh, and there is 1 more box here. And the final box I got right here. This was another one of those. I just saw the box and I picked up the whole thing. But we have Caesar salad kits. And the date on these is 12/3/2019. These, they look a little small. That's probably like I think that would be like a meal for James.
Put some meat in it. Yeah.
Yeah. So, and there's, let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. There's about 7 of them in here. And again, it was, whole box. Yes, thank you. But I would have grabbed more. But unfortunately, James had purchased a mini fridge from the clothes closet for $11. No, it's not. And I had that in the back of the van. And then I shoved all this food in the back of the van, and we didn't have room for much else. So I had this thing full. Oh, and the final thing, the best thing we found, a 4-pack of Mexican Cokes.
Ale Coke.
Yes. Yes, these are
Pure sugar.
yeah, it is here. I'll see if I can show you. I don't know if you can read it or not. There you go. It's a little bit. You can see the writing is Spanish. So these are Mexican Coke. It is actual real. They use real sugar. I guess it's a different formula. I don't know. Carbonated. Oh yeah, cane sugar. What's in here? It's carbonated water, cane sugar, caramel color, the phosphoric acid, natural flavors, and caffeine. So this one's, back closer to the original Coke recipe, minus the Coke.
Yeah, you get that in Colombian Coke.
Yeah, we don't need that. But even without the Coke in the Coke, they're still pretty addictive. But yes, I found it was a 4-pack. I gave James 2, and I got 2. So, oh, shoot, and the one thing, it didn't make it in. I have no idea where they went. Oh, did your poor baby. Mwah. Mwah. Oh, mwah, 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 mwah. Mwah. Oh, it's okay. He loves coming to me for kisses now. Oh yeah, I got James more of his apple fritters. There, you want to say hi? Is that it? You want to say hi? Oh yes, he wants to say hi to everybody. And no, you're not getting the poopy. Yes, it's about bedtime. So, the final item I got, I think James has already absconded with. And that is, whoa. Here, sack of taters. And that is his, I got 3 of the 4 packs of the apple fritters. So, yes. Now, shh. So, yes. We got a very lovely haul today. And I pretty much grabbed this because we are not going to be able to go to the food pantry next week. So, they're open Monday, Tuesday, closed the rest of the week. And it's not really... And unfortunately, Monday, Tuesday, James needs the van. So... But, hey, we have food to sustain us.
But hey,
Yeah. At least I think that's everything. If I think of anything else I got that's not like here, I will let you know in a later video. But I think we did pretty good today. So, this is Borderline Mom wishing you a happy Sunday. And peace be with you. Bye.